The feet elevated weight plate bench dip is an advanced variation of the standard bench dip that primarily targets the long head of the triceps and lower chest. By adding weight and elevating your legs, it increases the range of motion and difficulty of the movement. Here's how to do it correctly. Set up two parallel benches or sturdy objects 3 to 4 feet apart. Sit down on one bench, then place the weight plate across your thighs. Position your hands shoulder-width apart on the edge of the bench with your fingers pointing forward. Shift your body forward to remove your glutes from the bench, then extend both legs out in front of you, placing your heels on the other surface. Keep your core engaged and your body straight as you slowly lower your body by bending at the elbows while keeping the weight plate stable on your thighs. Go as low as your shoulder mobility allows, ideally until your upper arms are parallel to the floor. Pause briefly at the bottom to feel a good stretch in your triceps and chest. Push your hands through the bench to extend your arms and rise back up to the starting position as you focus on contracting your triceps and chest. Repeat for reps. Don't stop learning now. Click this video to master the next move with perfect form while avoiding the most common mistakes.